Planning a kitchen remodel and don't know where to start? The first step is to establish your budget. Consider important elements like cabinetry, appliances, countertops, and labor. Don't forget to squirrel away some extra funds for those unexpected expenses. By setting a clear budget, you're laying the groundwork for a smoother renovation process. Once your budget is set, it's time to plan your dream kitchen. Evaluate what you have and envision what you want. Explore design styles, gather ideas, and consult a designer to answer those crucial questions. With a solid plan in place, you're ready for the next step. Now, it's all about finding and hiring the right crew. Start the contractor search early and be flexible with project timing. Remember, coordinating with your chosen contractor is crucial to streamline the permit process. With a competent crew on board, you're well on your way to your dream kitchen. What's next? Choosing your materials. Cabinets, flooring, countertops, appliances, lighting, fixtures, each plays a pivotal role in your kitchen's look and feel. Here's a tip: pick your cabinets first. They often have longer lead times. And remember, cost-effective alternatives can be just as dazzling. Your kitchen is taking shape now with all materials chosen. Finally, you need to prepare for construction. Brace yourself for the temporary absence of your kitchen. Set up an alternative cooking space, plan meals that don't require extensive cooking, and ensure your children and pets are safe and comfortable. With adequate preparation, you're ready to embark on your kitchen remodel journey. Now that you know the steps, it's time to get started. Consider Kitchen Concepts, your partner in this journey. With a free design consultation and efficient execution within 4 to 6 weeks, we make remodeling seamless. Kickstart your kitchen remodel today by contacting Kitchen Concepts. We're here to turn your dream kitchen into reality.